So, how do you screenshot Instagram instance? So, if you're trying to do that or trying to screenshot or screen record an instant, there's something important you should need to know. Unlike regular Instagram posts, stories, or reels, instants were specifically designed to prevent screenshots and screen recordings. If you try taking a screenshot of an instant, you'll not see anything or find a message telling you that it cannot be done. The same applies to screen recording as what you can see right now. Unfortunately, there isn't an official setting or workaround inside Instagram that allows you to bypass that restriction. That's because instants are meant to be temporary. View one's photos that can't be saved by the recipient. So if you're searching for a way to screenshot Instagram instants, the honest answer is that Instagram currently blocks screenshots and screen recording for this feature. And that's everything you need to know about screenshotting Instagram instants. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.